Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Zoho Mail in Thunderbird. So first you're going to open Thunderbird, and when you first open Thunderbird, you will immediately be brought to this page. But if you weren't, you're going to click on the three lines over here at the top, then click on New Account, then it will bring you here. Then here in Name, you're going to put your name. Then in Email Address, you're going to put your Zoho email address. Then in password, you're going to input your Zoho Mail password as well. Then click on Continue. Then wait for it for a few moments. After a few moments, you'll be able to see the available configurations, so you can choose from IMAP or POP3. So I'm just going to select IMAP, and after that, I'm going to click on Done. And after that, you have already set up Zoho Mail in Thunderbird. So it's as easy as that. Thanks for watching.